There's a couple different ways to find suppliers. I prefer to start in the United States. If I can get something made domestically, I 100% will. I'd rather give our money to our country than another one. You can look up manufacturing directories. You can go to packaging and supply and manufacturing conventions in your niche. You can ask other brand owners who have had similar items manufactured. You can look at the back of a product and see where it's been manufactured and do some research and try and figure it out that way. You can use websites that track how inventory comes into the port so you can see where people are getting things manufactured overseas. You can try Alibaba. You can use AliExpress. You can use China's version of Alibaba. I believe it's called 808. But my favorite is to talk to my current suppliers and ask them where they would go to get the thing made. When you're working with a good supplier, they can be a wealth of information. Here's why. Good suppliers hang out with good suppliers. Good manufacturers hang out with good manufacturers. Bad manufacturers hang out with bad manufacturers. So once you find a good one, you can really bang on that network and ask them for leads. A lot of times they'll say, I just don't know. So my follow-up question would be, do you know anybody that might know? And usually you can get a few leads that way. It's very common for manufacturers not to want to work with you in the very beginning. You really have to sell yourself and the validity and the success of your business. So make sure you go into it knowing that these guys don't want to do business with you unless there's something in it for them. So how can you spin this in a way where it makes it very valuable to do business with you?